Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make sweet dish coconut ladoo in Hamare style. It's a simple and quick recipe. You will surely love it. So let's start. Here we have taken fresh coconut pieces. It's not a dry coconut. Now we will make a coarse paste in a mixer like this. Now we will prepare sugar syrup. So take a vessel and add sugar in it. Add some water. And let it boil on a medium flame. Boil it until we get a one string consistency. Now you can see our sugar syrup is ready. Now add our coarse paste of coconut into it. Mix it nicely. Mix and cook it until our coconut absorbs sugar syrup nicely and it almost dries. Wow, the aroma is superb. It's simply awesome. You can see it almost dried. And now it's ready. Now we have to make a ladoo while it hot. So start making ladoo. You can make small or large size as you want. Once all ladoos are ready, keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Once it is cool and completely dried, it's ready to eat. Look at it. Wow! So perfectly it came out. Look awesome and sweet and tasty. I can't control, so I'm eating now. If you want to eat, then make it and tell us your feedback in a comment box. If you like our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.